Yo, what's happening my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. As you all remember from the previous video that I removed the gearbox cooler, oil cooler. So on this video, what we're going to do is basically fit the bumper, mount the oil cooler and intercooler, and hopefully get the lines made up, and let's get it running this time. So make sure you hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and stay charged for more, yo. Cheers! Let's get this bumper kind of mounted on and see how much space we've got behind. Oh, yeah, fighter. So the reason behind why we had to fit the bumper up is because we needed to see how much space we got behind for the intercooler and oil cooler. We'll show you how much space we've got there and the mint fitment currently until it gets into the body shop. Okay, yeah, I think we should have plenty of room back there. Oil cooler will sit around there and the intercooler should technically go around there. Yeah, look at this. Once it gets straightened out in the body shop, that should all line up a lot better, but for now let's get that oil cooler mounted up. So yeah, we've got plenty of room, thankfully. Jacked up the car now, let down them oil cooler lines, and now I'm trying to figure out where the mountings are going to go. So what I am thinking is, if I mount it there, that with a bend coming up straight there, and then I can work around here to mount it up towards around there or up there somewhere, and it should be sturdy. Just on the first cut of the steel bar where it says bend, gonna bend it upwards and mount it up towards there. Let's show you the thickness difference compared to the old bracket. Yeah, much better. Let's get this done. Right, you know it's proper when you got a panel beater down. Let's see how it sits now, kind of. So all that time was successful with one bracket. The other one I need to figure out. We're going to put it around there, and yeah, then we need to figure out where the oil lines are going to go. Hopefully that'll be sweet. What do you lot think? So I have now completed the mountings, but I'm not actually quite happy about it. Why I'm not happy about it, I'll show you right now. So that bracket's all well and good there, and I thought I'd put one there, but that is so flimsy, and I was told I need to put the lines up there, but I don't know when I put the lines on, is that going to make it more sturdy? That is terrible. Unless I'll go get the lines made up. Well, I've got to figure out where the lines are going to go and how long they are, so get them made up, fit them on, and then yeah, basically do the brackets or try making it a bit more solid again. But yeah, it's one of them things that when you're customizing it, you've got to just figure it out and work it, right? So today is the day we're getting the oil lines made up. We're at Think Automotive. They've got some cool gear here. Let's show you. And they've even got some translucent brake lines, so you can see your brake fluid going through, which is actually really cool. Yeah, buddy. Check it out. Fuel tanks, everything for your motorsport needs and whatnot. oil coolers. Yeah, buddy, this is the place to be. So I came here just to get oil lines made up, right? But I'm leaving with a local oil cooler because they've just sorted out a wonderful deal. And yeah, here's the hoses. They just push on. Wicked. I'm happy because I wanted a new oil cooler, and like I said, this is the place to be. That is the Mocool oil cooler in position. That is solid. That is sturdy. Like 30. I made a mounting bracket there. That one there, as you lot know from there. And then one from up there to back there. Yeah, solid, lovely. Now the fun part's going to be putting these oil lines on and tightening this up, but we're getting there. I'll show you all how around the oil lines. Hopefully it's all good. This is a bit long as well in itself. I'm just at the moment putting the P brackets, so we ain't got no movements. But yeah, on the sump side of it, I had to take the actual banjo off and everything. And then, yeah, let's get this secured and then intercooler next. That is the P brackets done. There was a bit of sharp edges around there, but kept it away from there and there. Hopefully that won't move around. Hopefully let's mount the intercooler up now. I think we're gonna have an issue mounting the intercooler because that is bent. That used to basically sit through there, and look where that is. Whereas they were basically aligned with each other. Let's try getting them mounted up anyway. Got my eBay special silicone reducers. Let's get this on. Time to get into place. Jeez, that looks hard. And look at the fucking size difference as well. Get me? Yeah, man. Let's make up these brackets and jeez. Not just that, even these T-bolts that I got recently are much better than this shit. Time to test fit the bumper. Hopefully it clears it, and then make up the brackets. Fingers crossed. Oh, you fighter. This is fucking heavy. Obviously, it's not straight enough, I think, at the moment. Completely fucked. You're sitting low down, but do you know what? That is a very tight squeeze. There's the bumper iron, and this side's straight. Don't know what we're gonna do now. Looks a bit packed up in there. Okay, so finally we've made some progress. My brother come down, gave me a hand, bodging up some intercooler brackets and that.
Yeah, just this hand.
Yeah.
Oh, no, this one as well.
Not happy with them, but do you know what? It's all mounted up. Need to get into the body shop and maybe redo it. So yeah, let's just show you the brackets and show you how sturdy it is. And yeah, brother, what's that?
That is some piece of crap, that is.
You lot heard that new flipping meme. Ew, what's that? Anyways, yeah, let's show you. Yeah, no more axle stand. Solid, mate. Up there mounted, down there mounted. Yeah. And do you know what we're going to do with that? I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that. Some fucking piece of shit thing. In the bin. So yeah, now that's all done. Need to send it into the body shop. Oh yeah, not just that, we can't even fucking start the car because there's another issue that I figured out. Because when I put the old intercooler on, started it up, it sounded like a Supra. So yeah, stay tuned for that because I'm going to show you all what happened with that. And yeah, long.
Do you want to give them a little preview
What?
of what happened?
Yeah, well, this is all apart for a reason. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Why? And I'll hopefully maybe add in a little clip, few little small clips on the next video. Hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and stay charged for more, y'all. Cheers!